tutorial. You're watching one right now. We're learning together as we go. Today we are building the typek EC kit. We're going to be using Deskeys. I have two. I have the pink and I have the blue. Pink is going to be the lighter weight. So pink is 42, blue is 56. Oh my god. Ah! God, I hate doing that. Ah! I don't know if this is on purpose. But you see it's different connectors, so the connectors are flipped. So this is the MX, and then this is the EC. So I am a complete noob when it comes to Topre, so I'm learning as well. Okay, so let's try and orient them the same way, right? So I'm gonna put this all in and then I'll lube it. This is next. So I'm guessing I put this in like this. And this goes in here. And then the stabs would hold right here. And then the switch. Okay, so just the rails, right? I just did these two. We're going up. Sorry, hold on to your seats. So this is done. I do this side. This is relaxing. Honestly, I'm getting a little sleepy. So like this, and this will fit in like this. So these go like this, and then you would just fit it in. Then you would clip in. Okay, so then it's like that. Okay, we need to lube this part, and then right here. So don't lube the housing, just the wire. Okay, so just lather this up, right? I mean, I'm doing an even coat, but it's a lot. Okay, slide it in. And then press it in. Oh! Oh! Okay. Now what? These little ones, the wires go in like this. This goes in like this. So you guys definitely get your hands dirty when you're doing this, right? Like, it's inevitable, right? Now that I have accepted that this is my fate, I know what must be done. So now, put this in. These rings are silencing rings. So what I do is I put it over the notch, and then it should just keep the ring in place like that. Put it in, slide it down, and then I'm trying to keep all of these the same orientation. Put it in like this, where the rails are, and then you push it and it should just snap in. If you look up close here, you see how there's that notch? Put the ring over that notch and then the rest should just fall in, and this keeps the ring from falling out. The shiny side goes down on this side. And so if you look at this top part is the matte side. But I don't think it matters. I'm just trying to stay consistent. But basically, when you put this in, see how there's like diagonals? Yeah, I just want to put it like that. Now, we'll grab the domes. Okay, so some of these can go like this, right? But then some of these I have to cut. So the stabs just do the one, right? Boop. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. I just put them in. Boop. Just like that. They're all stuck together. This kind of looks like two springs, but I know it's just one. They just want to be together. What do I tell them? Sorry. No can do. Get out of there. Okay, now we put this on, right? And then we flip it. These look like the grommets for this, for the plate. I like how there's arrows. I'm not screwing them in all the way. Okay, there's this hole right here, but there's not an actual thing to screw it in. Is it safe to flip over? It should be. I mean, they sound okay. I mean, nothing feels bad. That's a good sign. Nothing feels weird. Okay. Now we can test the stabs. It sounds good. It feels good. Oh no. It registers, but I have to press extra hard. You have to calibrate it? It's in via? Okay. Just so I make sure I do it right. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, that's cool. Wow, we did it! Now let's listen to how it sounds. Rubber domes is in your chromosomes. Oh no. Thank you, Gawk, for sending this out to me to build on stream. I learned a lot from this. I feel like it took me a little bit to finally get used to Topre, but I feel like I'm starting to kind of get the hang of it. I still don't know what I'm doing, but we learned, yeah.